Welcome to the Inventory ML application demo. To access the Inventory ML solution, first go to the Marketplace via Google Cloud Platform. In the Marketplace, search for Inventory ML. This will bring you to the ML homepage, which contains detailed information about the application. To launch the solution, click on the Launch button. This brings you to the page that contains details of the VM instance and memory. You can choose the zone where you want the solution to be deployed. The current configuration is a basic one. Once you have finalized your ideal configuration, click Deploy. This will create the required services that we're using in the solution. For this solution, we're using a VM instance, Google Cloud Storage, and BigQuery. You can see that your VM is now being set up. Once the solution is deployed, you have to create a service account. And to do that, you should go to I am an admin, click on Service Accounts. You will need a service account to interact from VM to GCS services. So click Create Service Account. Fill out the details and click Create. For the second step, you will need to assign the role for this particular service account. You will need two roles for this service account, Storage Admin and AutoML Admin. Once you are done, click Continue. You can also leave these fields blank and click Done. After the roles are assigned and the service account is ready, we need to create a new key. Click Create Key. Select JSON key and click Create. This will create a JSON key and download it to your local system. The next thing you need to do is upload the service account you recently created. To do that, go to the gear icon, click Upload File, choose the service account that you downloaded, and click Open. By default, the VM will be logged into the Gmail user account. So go to the gear icon and change the Linux username to Ubuntu, since this project is going to be set up in Ubuntu user. Now click Change. Now we have to move the service account into the conf folder. To do that, run the mv command. Next, set up the environment variables for Google application credentials. To do that, we'll need to get the absolute path of the service account. Once you get the absolute path of the service account, open etc environment in an editor. Here, we're using Nano Editor. You will need to set up a Google application credentials environment variable to the service account JSON K absolute path. Now, go to Inventory ML. Here there will be a file with the name reload.sh. You will need to execute this as the shell script. The service account is now activated successfully, and you can now access the application. To access the application, click on External IP. This will open the application in your browser. Enter the default login credentials and click Submit. Here you will see that there are three sections: Datasets, ML Experiments, and Data Visualization. To get started, go to the Dataset section and click on Upload Dataset. Give this dataset a name. Choose the file to be uploaded and click Submit. This will upload the file into the cloud storage bucket. Next, we will train the ML model. So to do that, go to the ML Experiment section and click on Create ML Experiment. Give this experiment a name, choose a dataset, select a label column and click Submit. This data is now uploaded to AutoML tables to process the data. At this point, you might need to wait a while since this process can take some time. But once the model is trained, you can start generating predictions on the trained model. Our last step is to create visualizations. To do that, go to the Visualization section. Here is where you can visualize each prediction for different warehouses. If you want to see the prediction output, you can go to the Storage bucket. To do that, go to Storage and locate the Inventory ML bucket and click. Here you can see all the data sets that were uploaded. You can navigate to a particular folder and download the actual results as needed. This completes our Inventory ML application demo. Thank you.